King Seti I, the second pharaoh of the 19th dynasty of Egypt, ruled from 1290 to 1279 BCE. Born to Pharaoh Ramesses I and Queen Seti I was a seasoned military commander before ascending the throne. His reign marked a period of restoration, expansion, and monumental construction. In the early years of his rule, Seti I embarked on military campaigns to reassert Egypt's control over its territories. One of his notable victories was against the Hittites, securing the strategically vital region of Kadesh. He also conducted successful campaigns in Libya and Nubia, ensuring the stability and security of Egypt's borders. Seti I's military prowess was commemorated in reliefs at the Karnak temple complex, which depict the pharaoh in scenes of battle, triumph, and offering to the gods. These artworks not only celebrated his victories, but also reinforced his divine right to rule. One of Seti I's most enduring legacies is his contributions to architecture and art. He commissioned the completion and expansion of the Great Hypostyle Hall at Karnak, a feat that showcased the architectural grandeur of ancient Egypt. The hall's massive columns and intricate carvings continue to inspire awe to this day. Additionally, Seti I is credited with initiating the construction of the tomb that would later be completed by his son, Ramesses II, known as the Temple of Abydos. This temple is renowned for its exquisite reliefs and the famous Abydos King list, a chronological list of past rulers that served as a tribute to Egypt's storied history. In his domestic policies, Seti I focused on rebuilding Egypt's economy and infrastructure, which had suffered during the preceding tumultuous period. He prioritized agricultural development, ensuring a steady food supply for his people. Furthermore, Seti I maintained a strong, centralized administration, which helped in the efficient collection of taxes and the oversight of state projects. His dedication to Ma'at, the ancient Egyptian concept of truth, balance, and order, was evident in his efforts to maintain peace and stability within the kingdom. Seti I's reign, though relatively short, left a profound impact on Egypt. His military successes, architectural achievements, and effective governance set the stage for the succeeding golden age under his son, Ramesses II, one of Egypt's most famous pharaohs. The story of King Seti I is a testament to his enduring legacy as a warrior king and a master builder, whose contributions continue to be celebrated and studied by historians and enthusiasts of ancient Egyptian civilization.